Now, are you able to see how much clearer that wood grain is now that I've gone over it with the 120? Okay, much more clear. Alright, I'm going to put this in here where it came out of. I drilled this hole. Okay, I have to tap that in some. Get that tapped in there. Alright. You know what I like doing is getting a chisel and just kind of getting this up there, getting it in place. Alright. Then putting this chisel across it and then tapping the chisel so it stays flat and it goes right back in place where it belongs. Alright. This side over here. Down a little more on this edge. Over here. Alright. That's nice and smooth. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alright. Now we're going to get it tightened down. Just a little more. I'm going to flip this over. Okay. Get it secure. I'm flipping it back over. Okay, then flip it again. You have to do that when you're in these tight spaces. That way, these little teeth in here grab. Okay, it's a little trick. Just roll it over. Okay, and if I was sitting here doing it, you'd never see it. Okay, but I'm just flipping it over. Okay. Getting snug now. Bam. Just like that. Okay, I've got a 1-inch plug in there. This way I get it knocked in level and even, straight and even. Alright. A 1-inch chisel would be good, but that's how we do that. Okay, it's nice and smooth. I could put a little putty in there, it'd be great. Okay, I've got this down to about where I want it with the 80 grit. Now I'm switching out to 120, alright? You can tell by the sound. Okay? Okay, I want you to notice the wood grain and how it looks. Okay? Now I'm putting on the 120. And I'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, I've gone over that with 120. You can really see the grain. It's really clear. Alright, and then back into this area here. Alright, it's not as clear. Okay, so this is the difference. I hit this with 180, with 80, now the 120, and it just brings out the grain even more. So we'll show you this in just a second up here.